So let's just see the next question, question number 2. So the question number 2 says find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So this is a special case which was under the section formula, in which we have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points is divided by the another point. So let us suppose it will start this question as first of all, let us suppose I am taking the points as nothing but A and B. So we have, let us suppose A as -3, 10 and we have B as 6, -8, and the coordinates of the point P is already given to us, which is nothing but -1, 6 type, and we have to look out for the ratio. So whenever we have to find the ratio, then always remember to take the ratio as nothing but K:1. So let's just assume the ratio that we just wanted to find out as K:1. So let's just start the solution as let the ratio in which the point P divides AB internally be K:1. You can also take the ratio as M1:M2, but this is the most easiest way to find out the ratio. So always remember, whenever we just have to find out the ratio, always take the ratio as K:1. So the ratio we are taking is nothing but K:1. So using the section formula again, we can find the value of K. So let's just apply the section formula. So as per the section formula, we have x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and further y is m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus of m2. So in place of m1 we are taking k, in place of m2 we are taking 1. So let's just first of all write the values. In place of m1 we are taking k, because the ratio is always of the form m1:m2, and in place of m2 we are taking 1. Furthermore, we are taking x1 as -3 and we are taking y1 as 10. x1 is -3, y1 is 10, x2 is 6 and y2 is nothing but -8. Further, we have the values of x as well. We have x as -1, we have y as nothing but 6. So let's just plug in all these values in the section formula to find the value of k. Let's just plug in. So let us suppose if I am plugging all these values in x and y. So let's just talk about the x first. So we have x as nothing but m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus of m2. So let's just plug in the values over here. X is nothing but -1. So this would be -1 is equal to kx2. x2 is 6 plus m2 is 1. x1 is -3 divided by k plus of 1. So this is -1, which is equal to 6k minus of 3 by k plus 1. So let's just take this k plus 1 towards the other side. So this would be -1 k plus 1, which is equal to 6k minus of 3. Again we can write it as -k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Let's just take k on one side and the constants on the other side. So 6k plus of k is equal to this would be -1 plus of 3. So this is 7k, which is equal to 2, means the value of k is coming out to be 2 by 7. The value of k is actually coming out to be 2 by 7. So let's just check the value or the k from y as well. So let us suppose if I'm taking y as well. So y is m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let's just plug in the values over here. Y is 6, which is equal to m1 is k, and y2 is nothing but minus of 8 plus of 1, which is 10 divided by k plus 1. So let's just take k plus 1 toward the other side. So this would be 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus of 10. Let's just take k on one side. So this was 6k plus 8k, which is equal to 10 minus of 6. So this is 14k, which is equal to 7. this is, sorry, 4, not 7. So k is nothing but 4 by 14. So this is 2 into 2 and 2 into 7. So this is again 2 by 7. So it is totally confirmed that the value of k from x and y is actually coming out to be 2 by 7. So if we have taken the ratio as nothing but of the form k is to 1, if we have taken the ratio in the form of k is to 1, it implies the ratio will be 2 by 7 is to 1, because we have taken the ratio as k is to 1. So we can write it as 2 by 7 is to 1, but we cannot write the ratio in such particular formation. So it will take the LCM as 7, or it will sort it out for this particular value. So we can write it as nothing but 2 is to 7. So this is nothing but the ratio 2 is to 7. So the answer, or we can say the solution for such a particular question in which we have to look out for the ratio, then the ratio is actually nothing but of the form 2 is to 7. This is nothing but the answer for this particular question. I hope all the steps related to such a question is all clear to you.